Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. I recently just got home and pulled up to 3 Temu bags that I want to unbox with you guys and for you. I guess I'm really going to start with the white one, just because the white one is the only white one. I don't know, that's just the way I'm going to go about it. So all of these will be linked in my description box down below. Where I'm starting at in this box is, this is a dress, and I definitely will show you guys here what it looks like on me. It just starts off with white, and then it goes to like a tan, and then down to like a yellowish orange, which is really cute. I can wear this to work, wear this on vacation. Next in this bag, they put it into another bag, because I guess that was all that was in that one. We now have an orange bag where there are 31 items in this bag. It says, okay, so then I got some light blue sandals. I think that these are very adorable. I honestly might get another pair for my mom. She likes the baby blue color for UNC. Anyways, next is just a huge random selection of earrings. Here, if I can try to share with you guys, I will. If not, I'll have the pictures just laying around. But anyways, so the first one is simply just some XO earrings that I have to take the sticker off for, obviously. Peel it myself. Like this. Crayon earring. Then I also have the Smart Cookie earrings. These are my favorite books, so I thought I would buy those. Bought some really cute, like shiny earrings. A sparkly pair of heart earrings. Easy press-on nails that I could use for vacation if my nails are not done. I also have these nails right here. So this is blue, pink, and like a teal. Some different colored earrings here. These are the colors that I have. So I have black, green, pink, yellow, teal, blue, pink, white, and red. Ended up getting these little smaller earrings right here. Next, the type of earrings I got. These say Teaching with Flair. I originally bought these to be a teacher appreciation gift for my daughter's teacher. Some cheetah ones, just like the sparkly ones, and they have like that cheetah print on the inside. Next I have this pendant that I wanted. This is things where you put it around your neck, simply just like this, except mine says getting my crayon, because I feel like we're at that point of getting our crayon. I also have some egg earrings that I bought to wear for like Easter. For vacation, I simply wanted to get like these little palms. So I have pink, orange, yellow, and green. Anyways, here's another little jewelry fashion that I got. This is a 3-piece. It says ABC teacher, and then it's a pencil. So I'm gonna have to find something to put all of my earrings in now. So then I have just like some pink heart earrings. The first one is like hot pink, middle one is baby pink, and the last one is hot, just some summer earrings. This just says summer vibes. Like I said before, I love the books, The Bad Seed, The Good Egg, so I end up buying the Bad Seed earrings. I also have some other cute press-on nails. Like I said before, I'm gonna have the actual picture up here because I don't know if that's the actual design that I have picked out. I also have like some pink, hot pink, light pink type of press-on nails, and then I also have these ones right here. These were definitely what I picked out. I really wanted these. I just picked out nails that were cheap because I knew that they were gonna like fling off. These type of earrings, I think they're almost kind of similar to that other pack right here, except I don't remember ordering these ones because this is just not my style, but it is what it is. So I have hot pink, light pink, red, blue, yellow, orange, teal, black, and white, and they just look simply like that. Next I have a pair of scissor earrings. I think that these are too cute. I could eventually wear these. And then I also have just a pair of beach earrings. I have the pigeon. Pigeon is my favorite. So I have pigeon earrings. He is one of Mo Willems' characters. It says Pigeons, America's Misunderstood Bird by I'm Angry, because he's always mad about something. And then I also have just like some little small green leaf, like palm tree earrings. These pink and gold palm tree earrings. I also have like some flip-flops on one side. They're this color, and then I have another pair that on this side. This was a 2-pack. My last 2 pair of earrings are just some dangly heart earrings that you guys see here. And then I also have some sunshades that like the ocean in them, you can see. So that's it for earrings. I'll go ahead and start trying to open up the next package. Clearly, okay, this is a beach towel. So when I was scrolling around on Temu through the app, I was able to get this beach towel for free because I shared the link with a bunch of people. This towel, literally nice big towel, let's have some fun in the sun, for free, completely free. Opening up Temu packages are so much fun, I swear. I also got this yellow shirt. I'm not for everyone. I'm not for everyone. Anyways, next bag, my last bag I have from Temu for right now is just some more stuff. It's pink, looks like this. The only reason I got this one is because I didn't know I would get this Columbia jacket from Marshall's. This was $35 at Marshall's. Meanwhile, this was about 15 to 20. So I got this in an extra large, I think, or maybe just a large. I can't remember. But I like the way that the sleeves look. It gives like that 90s vibe to it. It has a hood with the print on the inside. I'm happy with it. It also has strings so that I can tie it. And like I said, I didn't think that the quality would be good, but now I definitely think that it's amazing. It also has like the piece on the side where I can scrunch it together, so that's a plus. So of course, thank you guys for tuning into today's Temu upload. I have quite a few more things to come in the mail from Temu. I was just so excited to get home and see what it is I got today in the mail from Temu, because you just never know what they're gonna package up together to ship out to you. First, use the links in my description box down below if you've seen something in this video that you like and would like to buy, because I now have plenty of earrings. I now have plenty of press-on nails, and I also have plenty of other things to put with the rest of my stuff. Be sure to hit the thumbs up, comment down below what it is you liked out of this haul. I'll catch you guys in the next video.